coming barangay election. I'm planning to run for again for barangay Agawan. And yes, third term.
Do you think that your plan will make barangay progressive and why?
Yes. Of course. Dahil siyempre, I'm working effectively, especially helping people, sick people in the hospital, giving them support or assisting them whenever they have a problem. And everything. And of course, as a chairman of livelihood committee, I have so many plans to pursue like mushroom culture production. You see that? Mushroom. Talang eh. This is a oyster mushroom. We already have a seminar before, way back October, and also this January and February. We held that in Parkwood. With Brother Dito Golderahe as our trainer. This is the sample of mushroom culture. We are planning together with our barangay captain and council. We are planning to pursue this project in order for the people to transfer the technology came from Malaysia. This project came from Malaysia. This technology of culturing this mushroom. And also another one concerning my livelihood projects. I am planning to train the disabled people like balloon making, soap making, and also hair cutting, like that, and so many plans this year. And also I'm planning to have a peaceful card about 10 cards for the meantime. If ever it will be successful, I'll purchase another 10 cards.
Do you think that the people of Barangay Maybunga will cooperate to your plan? How?
Yes, I think because in my past experience with my livelihood projects since 2007, many people like to have a livelihood programs here in our barangay. We use the rooftop, the third floor, to have a training. We already have so many trainings and seminars before, like candle making, sewing, pattern crafting, and so many others.
What are the projects that you will do for Barangay Maybunga?
Same question.
What will you do if your plans will fail?
I think it will not fail, but if it will fail, there are so many other projects that that can be made, you know.
What things will you do to make your plan successful?
I should make it to for the people to cooperate with me. I want the cooperation of the people, especially the non-government organization, and also different or various of that organization here, like the president of the different organization in Malibay, Floodway, Damayan, and also Villaconcha, and also Alvarez.
Thank you for your cooperation, and we hope that your plan for this barangay will be succeed.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.